Hi, this is Thea. Today I have the announcement of the winner of the picks made in the previous series. So congratulations to Squiggle Dork. If you can just DM me the address that you want it sent to, I will get those sent out, and if you like, I can also include the master lock. I don't know what your skill level with picking is, so if you are a beginner, that is a great lock to begin with. And today I will be picking this Brinks Model 663. It's a discus padlock, and let's get going on that. It says it is pick resistant, but we will find out. All right, so I will be using a 32 thousandths tensioner and a 20 thousandths pick. It's somewhat awkward to hold where the camera can see it, but I will make it work. These do require somewhat heavy tension. Alright, getting some binding on pin 1 and a little click. Got a click out of 2, 3, and 4, and it is unlocked. So as it turns out, it doesn't really have much in the way of pick resistance at all. The main challenge is that when it is not on its intended use case, which is storage units and the like, it's somewhat awkward to hold and pick at the same time. So, short video, but that is all I have today. So if you liked that, go ahead and hit the like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. And quick side note about the giveaway. If I don't hear back within a week, I will draw a new name. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.